Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. And today we are diving into the top current affairs from this week. National updates 9 September to 15 September. External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar reaches Saudi Arabia to attend India GCC Foreign Ministers meeting. Depression over Bay of Bengal intensifies, expected to hit Puri by today noon, said IMD. President Draupadi Murmu expresses happiness on superlative feats of Indian contingent at Paris Paralympic Games. Supreme Court to hear RG Kar Medical College rape and murder case today. Health Ministry reports suspected MPOX case in recent traveller, patient stable and isolated. INB Minister Ashwini Vaishnav named by Time magazine as one of most influential people in technology and AI. President Murmu, PM Modi condole loss of lives in Lucknow building collapse. PIB fact-check unit warns of scam, fraudsters charging 8,000 rupees for PM Kusum Yojana registration. Headquarters integrated defence staff to conduct maiden combined operational review and evaluation program for senior officers of tri-services. ISTS hosts conference at AIIMS New Delhi on urgent need for trained transplant surgeons. India to bid for 2030 Youth Olympics and 2036 Summer Olympics, announces Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. IAS officer Tuhin Kanta Pandey appointed as Finance Secretary. Defence Ministry signs 26,000 crore rupees contract with HAL for 240 IL-31 FP Aero engines. FM Nirmala Sitharaman chairs 54th GST Council meeting. UP government to host Semicon India 2024 at India Expo Mart. HQ integrated defence staff to conduct maiden combined operational review and evaluation program for senior officers of tri-services. India to bid for 2030 Youth Olympics and 2036 Summer Olympics, announces Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. IAS officer Tuhin Kanta Pandey appointed as Finance Secretary. Nomination deadline for Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 ends on 15 September. IMD issues extreme rainfall alert for western, eastern and southern India. And UAE agree on to business outcomes. Indian Navy civilian entrance test cancelled due to technical and administrative reasons. 5,000 trained cyber commandos to deal with cybercrime. Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patten ensures measures to prevent illegal immigration. GST reduced from 12% to 5% on cancer drugs, 18% to 12% on selected snacks. CPIIW for July 2024 rises to 142.7. IMD predicts heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh for next 6 days. Over 1 crore mobile connections disconnected for involvement in cybercrime and financial frauds. International crude oil prices crashed to near 3-year low. Second Asia Pacific Ministerial Conference on Civil Aviation to begin in New Delhi. DRDO and Indian Navy successfully flight tests vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile, VLSRSM. National Instructional Media Institute under MST launches series of YouTube channels. Nominations for Padma Awards 2025 open till 15 September 2024. Ayush Ministry resolves more than 1,300 public grievances under Special Campaign 3.0. US to sell high-altitude anti-submarine warfare sonobuoys to India. IMD predicts heavy rainfall across India in next 4 days. Union Cabinet approves 70,125 crore rupees for PMGSY4 road scheme. Cabinet approves 5 lakh rupees health insurance for senior citizens above 70 years. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to inaugurate IDAX 24 in Jodhpur today. Cabinet approves 3,435 crore rupees scheme for 38,000 electric buses. FSSAI instructs strict monitoring of adulterated sweets and dairy products. IBM and L&T partner to develop advanced processors. CCI finds Amazon and Flipkart engaged in anti-competitive practices. Government to issue new PMJ cards for all senior citizens aged 70 plus. PM Modi announces adoption of Delhi Declaration on Civil Aviation. India decides to reduce export duty on onions from 40% to 20%. IMD forecasts very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. IB Ministry institutes new section for young filmmakers in IFFI 2024. Floor price removed on export of basmati rice. India committed for developing resilient agricultural systems. IMD predicts cloudy weather with moderate rain over Delhi. Centre revises wheat stock holding limits to check price rise and hoarding. International updates 9 September to 15 September. Typhoon Yagi claims 14 lives in Vietnam and destroys over 3,000 buildings. India sends 1,000 metric tons of rice as humanitarian aid to drought-stricken Malawi. External Affairs Minister Drs. Jaishankar arrives in Riyadh for two-day visit. India remains top source market for Sri Lanka tourism in 2024. Sri Lanka National Election Commission summons all candidates contesting presidential election for discussion. Algeria's President Abdelmajid Tebboune wins second term with 95% vote. Germany to tighten border controls to combat irregular migration and security threats. Australia to legislate minimum age for social media to protect children. Singapore Joint Working Group on Personnel Management and Public Administration holds meeting. EU launches call for setting up AI factories to boost development of AI technology. Russia launches largest naval drill in decades involving all 5 fleets. Moody's revises Maldives' credit ranking to CAA2. ENEC and NPCIL sign agreement to enhance potential cooperation in various fields. North Korea launches multiple short-range missiles toward East Sea. US backs India's bid for permanent UN Security Council seat. US imposes sanctions on 3 Chinese companies. 33 killed and 235,000 displaced in Myanmar due to floods and landslides caused by Typhoon Yagi. Moscow condemns American sanctions against Russian broadcaster RT. American astronauts want to vote for US presidential elections from IIS. Sports updates 9 September to 15 September. Paralympics to concludes with spectacular closing ceremony at Stade de France. US Open men's singles final Taylor Fritz to face world number 1 Jannik Sinner in New York showdown. Asia Cup Hockey. Defending champions India defeated hosts China by 3-0 at Hulunbuir. India makes history at Paris Paralympics 2024 with record-breaking medal count. Aryana Sabalenka secures maiden US Open tennis. Jannik Sinner wins second Grand Slam victory. BCCI announces India squad for first test against Bangladesh. Paris Paralympics 2024 concludes with closing ceremony in French capital. Indian boxer Deepali Thapa becomes first ever Asian schoolgirl champion. And Youth Affairs Minister felicitates Indian Paralympics contingent. Hockey. India beats Japan by 5-1 in men's Asian Champions Trophy tournament in China. India enters semi-final of men's Asian Champions Trophy. 45th Fight Chess Olympiad to begin in Budapest, Hungary. Defeats Korea 3-1 to register 4th consecutive win at men's Asian Champions Trophy in China. India dominated in the open section of 45th Fight Chess Olympiad. Manipur's TG English School wins junior boys title of 63rd Subroto Cup. Asian Cricket Council launches Women's U19 T20 Asia Cup. Open, Shuttler's Tanisha Crasto, Dhruv Kapila enter mixed doubles semi-finals. Neeraj Chopra and Avinash Sehgal to represent India in Diamond League final. SAC 2024, India wins 9 gold medals on day 2. India A to command position against India D. Hero Asian Champions Trophy. Indian men's hockey team edge past Pakistan 2-1 to end league stage unbeaten. Vietnam Open. Dhruv Kapila's battle with illness forced pair to withdraw from semi-final match. Indian women chess team secure victory over Switzerland. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.